In the garden of kindness we sow, with hearts open wide love will grow. Sweet tea daily spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nicole and I'm so glad you're here. This week I'm doing a series of videos featuring popular children's characters. So far I have done one featuring Bluey and another on Mickey Mouse. Today I'm unboxing a Care Bear box for a girl who's 5 to 9. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so when she opens her box, this is what she'll see. And I'll go ahead and take out these papers so that you can see the lid design. The lid says Jesus loves you, and I made this design in Canva. If you would like to use this design for your own shoebox packing, you can click on the link in the description box that says lid design, and you can have access to it that way. On the very top, she has this bag. Featuring all the different Care Bears. I honestly don't remember where I got this bag. Her wow item is this Care Bear. She's really soft, and her rainbow has some sparkles on it. Next, I have this flowered lei. And this is a little keychain. It reminded me a little bit of the Sunshine Bear. I got this at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section for 69 cents. It's very soft. Next, I have this, it's a toiletry bag, and it has Care Bears on it. And look, the little zipper has a Care Bear heart on there. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I packed a lot of stuff in this little bag here. And I like this ball because it has a rainbow design, kind of like her rainbow Care Bear. Next, I have some butterfly clips for her hair. She has some Care Bear lip balm. She has a doll with a pony and a dog. I have a jump rope for her. And I have some rings for her. There's a sunshine and a rainbow and a couple hearts and a flower. I got this on clearance at Claire's. I think it's really cute, and I'm keeping it in this box because I think it's such a cute presentation. And she could probably put other things in the box too and use it for a little jewelry box. Here are some bracelets. She's got a cross bracelet and a rainbow. Okay, next she has some socks. She has some with some cute little rainbows on it. And these have the Care Bear on it. These are just a little bit big, but I thought they were really cute. I have a little toiletry kit for her, a washcloth and emery board. I have some underwear for her, 2 pairs of underwear. She has a comb. And these 2 little Care Bears, they're flocked. They're very soft, like velvet. And I got these at Five Below. I just think they're so cute. Oh, she also has a compact. Next, I have a cross necklace for her. A glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick. This is her t-shirt I found at the Children's Place for $3.80. And I just love the sparkles and all the bright colors on it. I hope she'll enjoy this shirt. Next, I have this fan. The rainbow on it. A toothbrush. Pencil pack. Pencils and sharpeners and all kinds of erasers. I have her pencil pouch. And in her pencil pouch, she has these highlighters. I got this from, I believe it was Walmart last year after Valentine's Day. Some crayons. A gel pen. Some multicolored pens. A ruler. Some Care Bear stickers. And some scissors. Next, I have our card with the letter to the child in it. This journal book that I made on Canva, and you can access it on sweetteadaily.com. And I've shown this before. It says Jesus loves me on the back in different languages. And here is her notebook. I love how it has some sparkles on it. And a Care Bear coloring book. Well, that's all I have for you today. May God bless you and your Shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles